How to add bio on a Scout profile. Are you guys facing issues to add bio on a Scout profile? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To add bio on Scout profile, first of all, open Scout application on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just simply look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see this profile icon. Tap on your profile icon. Now you'll be able to see this option for edit, which is right below your profile photo. Tap on edit. Once you click on edit, you can see this option for about me or add information section. Just simply tap on it. In this section, you can write down your bio. Just simply write down the profile or any kind of interest that you have on your real life so that other person can find it attractive and they might make you a friend or they can just simply match up. Once you write it down, just simply click on this check mark which is located at the right bottom of your screen. Tap on the check mark and now just simply head back to your profile and your bio will be instantly added. So as you guys can see, our profile bio has been added. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.